Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a photo album in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. A PowerPoint photo album is a presentation that we can create to display our personal or business photos. We can add effects that include attention-grabbing slide transition, colorful backgrounds and themes, specific layouts and more. Also, we can add captions, adjust the order and layout, and also adding the frames around the pictures. Open PowerPoint 2007. To add the photos from a file hard disk, come to Insert tab, click on the arrow under Photo Album in the Illustration group, then select New Photo Album. In the Photo Album dialog box, under Insert Picture From, click on File or Disk. In the Insert New Pictures dialog box, we need to locate the folder that contains the pictures that we want to insert. On desktop, I'm selecting photos and click on insert. If you want to preview a picture file, under pictures in album, click the file name of the picture that we want to preview. And we can change the order in which the pictures are displaying. For that, under pictures in album, click the file name of the picture that we want to move and then use the arrows to move it up or down in the list. And after that, click on create. Now we got a photo album with photos which spread it across the slides. After this, if you want to change the appearance of the pictures in our photo album, click the arrow under photo album and then select edit photo album. In the edit photo album dialog box, to display all the pictures in our photo album in black and white, under picture options, please select all pictures black and white. After that, let's update. Similarly, come to edit photo album, and if you want to change the layout, come to album layout. Here we can select a layout for the pictures: one picture, two picture, four pictures, one picture with title, two pictures with title, and four pictures with title. And if you want to select a theme for your photo album, click on browse. Here it will show various themes. I'm selecting flow. Click on select. And if you want to frame our pictures, come to picture layout. Here please select one picture, then it will activate the frame shapes. Here we can select a rectangle, rounded rectangle, simple frame white, simple frame black, compound frame, center shadow rectangle, and soft edge rectangle, and select a frame shape from the list that looks good for the pictures. And after this, if you want to rotate the picture, increase and decrease the brightness and contrast of the picture, select a picture, then it will show rotate option, contrast option, and brightness options. And after this, if you want to add captions that describes each picture in our photo album, under picture option, please select captions below all pictures checkbox. If this checkbox is unavailable in your system, we must first choose a layout for the pictures in the photo album, and after that click on update. By defaultly, PowerPoint uses the picture file name as a placeholder for the caption text. And if you want to edit this caption in normal view, please select the caption and replace with new one. And also we can add a text box which provides spacing in our photo album. Select a picture that you want a text box to supplement, and then click on new text box. After that, click on update. Now it will create a text box below the selected picture, and here we can add the text that we want to describe this picture. Now let's run the slideshow. Like this, we can create a photo album in Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.